Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the state government will try to increase the cash rewards, incentives and support to the athletes who bring laurels to the state in national and international sports events. He was speaking to reporters during an event at State Convention Centre to felicitate the medal winners and athletes who represented India at the World Arm Wrestling Championship and World Para-Arm Wrestling held in Turkey recently. The athletes who represented India in the Pro-Arm Universe Championship held in Thailand and the WFF Pro-Arm Asia Pacific held in Vietnam were also felicitated on the occasion.
Always recognize the efforts that have been made by these sports persons, and we have continuously tried to always facilitate them, felicitate them and give them different kind of support in every possible way. Our endeavor is to keep increasing it as much as possible, but obviously we do have limitations also. So based on the situations and based on overall budget available and financials that are there, and overall let's see how things move forward. We are definitely open to give more support and more incentives and more cash rewards to the athletes who bring knowledge to the state.